So today I want to show you headings or styles as it's officially called by Microsoft. And this is a feature that will save you a lot of time, particularly when you're editing documents. So without further ado, let's have a look. So typically if I'm writing a document, what most Word users do is they type the heading, leave the heading. So we insert some text here. And then we put in our subheadings. And when we want to change the look and feel of our document, we'll then go through and we might bold that, we increase the font size, whatever it is we need. Likewise here, underline. Now the problem with this approach is we have to go through every single heading in the document or every single paragraph if it's looking at the body of text to make any changes to it. This is very tedious, particularly when you're editing a document. So a better way of doing that, and a faster, more productive way of doing that, is to use headings. So if we select heading 1 and go up to the top here, you can see heading 1 and it's already given us a preview of what it's going to look like. Click on that. Let's now define a heading 1. Let's do the same with our subheadings. Over here. Let's insert a few more subheadings. Change that to 3. Okay. And we do the same with the text. You can see that it's already selected normal with the text. But the difference that we're seeing now is, now that we've defined that text, if we want to make a change to this, so let's look at a subheading. And if we're not happy with the look and feel of that subheading, so let's say we want to change the color of that font. So let's do that. Make it bold, maybe a little bit bigger. Perfect. Now you can see the problem is we now need to update every single subheading in, say, a 100-page document, which is going to take quite a lot of time. Alternatively, if we've defined the headings, if we right click on the heading 2, update heading 2, we've now updated every single subheading throughout the document. You can do the same thing with the text. So if we want to change the font for the Times New Roman, we can do the same thing and update the text in the entire document. If you look in design, you can see Microsoft has already come up with some ideas on different looks and feels. Some of them are quite nice actually. If you don't already have a corporate standard, then this is a good way of coming up with one. And if you don't like the color scheme, because most organizations have a primary color that they use in their marketing, you can click on colors and it even has color schemes for you. So you can see it's changing not just one section, but the entire section. Likewise with fonts, it's generally a good idea to have consistent fonts throughout the document rather than having different fonts for different headings and so forth. So that's another good feature. Also, if you wanted to go to references, you might have always wondered how you can do a table of contents. Now, once you've defined headings, it becomes very easy. If you go to references, click on table of contents. Let's choose the first one. And you can see straight away it's already picked out the headings and put them into a table. If we then decide to change a heading, we can simply update the table and it will change the subheading for us. So you can see page numbers or the headings, and you can see here it's updated the title. Likewise, if we move a section, it will update the page number automatically. Now the last thing I want to show you is a nice little time saver. If you go to View, click on Navigation Pane, and you can see in the left-hand column how it's shown us all the headings. If we want to reorganize a document, all we have to do is drag and drop these sections, and we can reorganize those sections. And it's moving more than just the title, it's moving the text as well. So it's really cool because we don't have to actually leave the top of our document to be able to maneuver these around. I recommend anyone using Microsoft Word uses headings and styles. It allows a consistent look throughout the document, and it's a much faster way of editing a document. Thank you. You've been listening to Mark Elliott. If you need any more tips and tricks on any of the Office products, or you're after some customized training, please contact me at my webpage. And thank you very much. Bye.